to the okay guys. Okay, so moral development, moral values like honesty, truthfulness, justice, goodness, purity, courage, reference, dutifulness and punctuality, self-confidence, discrimination between good and bad, observation of rules, believe in systematic organization, etc. So these are all the moral values we are considering. So once again I'll tell you, that is moral values like honesty, truthfulness, justice, goodness, purity, courage, reverence, dutifulness, punctuality, self-confidence, discrimination between good and bad, observation of rules, believe in systematic organization. Okay, so these are all the moral values. When the persons are developing, they are become a good citizen. Okay, so if they are doing a mistake, so when we are correcting the mistake, they have to take it in a positive way. So if they are taking in a positive way, that means their intellectual development is become normal. So if they are taking in a negative, or if they are taking in a wrong sense, so it will become under the person should not be, or the person could not be a good citizen of good citizen. Okay, then cultural development, they should respect and obey the some cultures. Like we are having that India, you know that lot of community people are there, like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, and lot of people are there. So in that, for each one we have to give the respect to their religion. Okay, that is we have to give a respect to their culture. Okay, so education for leisure. Education is a time meant by enjoyment and recreation. So every time we cannot go through only work alcoholic. Like you know that some of the people, they are working like a work alcoholic. So we have to give a time for recreation also. Okay, so leisure plays an important role for recharging or depleted energy level. Education prepares the child to use the leisure time for doing something useful. Like that's what, when you are studying in your school age, they are teaching like arts and craft and leisure period, plays, games, and these are all the things. Why they are giving? It will be developing yourself for how to improve, and how to leisure period, how to make it useful. Okay, then next one is a self-realization. So self-realization, already I said regarding the, if they are doing any mistake, so they should realize themselves, and they have to do according to that. They should not do, if they have done mistake and one person point out, okay, so how we have to react, whether you are taking in a negative way or you are taking in a positive way. So these are all the things when it will be come to the self-realization. The next one is a mental and emotional development. So mental and emotional development, so you know that mental and emotional development, I no need to explain. Okay, like for emotional development, you know that if the persons are hurting, or if the parents, or if anybody's, or if we are lovable ones are getting a hurting, or if the persons are getting an accident, met with an accident, so how your emotion, whether your emotion is stable or it is what else, it is unstable. So we have to assess that one. And when the persons are emotionally, if the persons are controlling themselves, they are become a good citizen. So these are all the, this one, it is making the, it's how where they are getting this information, where they are getting, how they are developing, this is through the education only they are developing this all, and they are doing. Understood? Then autonomous development. So autonomous development, always we should not depend on somebody. So it is from birth to till 12th standard you have to depend, and when you are growing only, some of the things when you are in a child, okay, so for a toilet and bathroom or whatever it is, and the parents help you need. So when you are growing like 5 years and 6 years, so automatically you are learning for toilet training and for urination, how to clean, how to clean your private part, how to keep your body clean, and these are all the areas when you are developing themselves. That is a autonomous development we can tell. So independently you have to do your work. Before and all, the parents will teach you, and the parents will give feeding. So now when you are become a third year, 3 years and 5 years, so what happen, you yourself, you will try to eat. Okay, so these are all the development only we are calling as a autonomous development. The next one is a self-education aim. So it should be motivated themselves. It should be motivated themselves for interest in the learning. It's a interest in the learning, how they are getting the interest. So what is the aim? So when I become a so when you are asking to the children, they will tell that, oh, I am become a doctor, I am become a IAS, I am become a this, that. So it is a self-motivating themselves. That is, the children have to have the self-motivation. That is a teaching learning process than the teacher. Okay, so it is, teacher should make sure that the students are learning as a result of internal motivation. Okay, so it is not, it should not come from the compulsion. Okay, the parents, you have to know, you have to study, you have to do this, you have to do that one. Not like that. It should be come from their innate behavior. Okay, understood. So these are all the things. The next one is a international understanding and harmonious development. Harmonious development, you know that it should be maintaining the good relationship between others. Okay, you and others, how you are maintaining the relationship. If you are not maintaining, if you are seeing, or if you are having angry, or if you are having anything, and you cannot show in such a way, you have to explain. Okay, so that is we have to maintaining the harmonious development. So what are all the things, what are all the aims of education is, first one is, we have to, it's the education, it's making them to learn. These are all the things. First one is utilization aim, sorry, it's okay. Then vocational aim, social aim, intellectual, citizenship, physical and well-being, character development, moral development, cultural development, education for leisure, self-realization, mental and emotional development, autonomous development, self-education aim, international understanding, and harmonious development. I hope so you are understanding. Okay, the next class I will take the functions of education. Okay, functions of education. Then afterwards we will continue the topic. Okay, bye.